What's up guys, Urban is back with another video, and today we're talking about how to build a minimalist wardrobe. Now, I know what you're thinking, why would you want to have a minimalist wardrobe? But trust me, it's all about quality over quantity. So, let's dive in and see how you can simplify your style game and look fresh as hell. Section 1. Why a minimalist wardrobe is important. Before we get into the nitty-gritty of building a minimalist wardrobe, let's talk about why it's important. First off, having a minimalist wardrobe saves you time and money. You don't have to spend hours sifting through clothes and you don't need to constantly buy new stuff. Plus, when you have a smaller wardrobe, you tend to take better care of your clothes and they last longer. So, the first step to building a minimalist wardrobe is to declutter your closet. Take everything out and sort it into 3 piles: keep, donate, and toss. Be ruthless. If you haven't worn something in over a year, it's time to say goodbye. Section 2. Building a versatile wardrobe. Now that you've decluttered your closet, it's time to build a versatile wardrobe. The key here is to invest in quality pieces that can be worn in multiple ways. Think neutral colors and classic styles that will never go out of fashion. And don't be afraid to mix and match. A plain white t-shirt can be worn with jeans for a casual look or dressed up with a blazer for a more formal occasion. Just because you're building a minimalist wardrobe doesn't mean you can't have fun with fashion. Add a few statement pieces to your wardrobe to inject some personality and style. Maybe it's a funky pair of shoes, a bold jacket, or a graphic tee. These pieces will make your wardrobe feel fresh and interesting, while still maintaining that minimalist vibe. Section 3. Tips for maintaining a minimalist wardrobe. Now that you've built your minimalist wardrobe, it's important to maintain it. Here are a few tips. Invest in quality clothing that will last longer. Avoid trendy pieces that will quickly go out of style. Resist the urge to buy new clothes just because they're on sale. Keep your wardrobe organized and clutter-free. Building a minimalist wardrobe is all about simplifying your style game and focusing on quality over quantity. By decluttering your closet, investing in versatile pieces, and adding a few statement items, you'll have a wardrobe that's on point and uniquely you. So go out there and show off your new minimalist style. And if you have any other tips for building a minimalist wardrobe, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more fresh content on men's lifestyle, fashion, and self-improvement. Until next time, peace out.